Look what we have here. We have the Veeniix V997. It's a Storm Master. So this vehicle here, it kind of reminds me of a vehicle from a video game that I played back in the late 80s. Yes, I'm showing my age. I played this Nintendo game. It was called Blaster Master. So there you can see how this kind of reminds me of that. Okay, well, there's quite a bit to unpack out of this box, but here it is. This is everything we get. We'll start out over here. Here is the safety glasses. These are the water gel, the water balls, and it says 500 in a pack, and you get 10 packs, so that's 5,000. Here's the bottle we get. So we put water in here and then empty a pack in there, and then they'll absorb it and they'll expand and turn into a water gel ball. This is our funnel that we pop the top open and put the funnel in the top, and then we could just pour them in there. Here we have an instruction manual, and I'm definitely going to be reading the instruction manual because this controller has quite a bit of buttons on, and I'd like to know what all the functions are. It comes with a fake antenna. This is just for looks. It's not functional or anything else. We got a screwdriver, because you're going to need a screwdriver to get into the controller. You're also going to need it to get in here to put your battery in here. Speaking of batteries, we get 2 of these proprietary batteries. They're 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp hour. And then you can see the charging ports are right there. You got 2 batteries. You also get 2 USB-C charging cables. Turn the controller on, and oh, did that vibrate when it connected? Try it again. Turn this on. Oh yeah, it does vibrate when you make a connection. Oh, look at the lights. We got the lights. This cannon is magnetically held on. Well, that magnet holds pretty good. That's a really strong magnet holding this on. So I don't think you're ever gonna have to worry about this thing just falling off. All right, let's, I didn't read the manual. I'm just diving right in here. Front, back, side shift. Now it's going the opposite way because it's facing me. How do we do this 360? Oh, here, it might be these arrows here. Oh yeah, there we go. To the right, to the left. Oh, it holds its place pretty good. Oh, what did I do? I hit this button. Oh, that's low and high. Okay. I'm learning this controller on the fly right now, so high. Okay, so we were in high. Let's go into low. Oh yeah, it definitely slows it down. More controllable, especially if you're just learning how to do this. Let's go into high. Yeah, much faster in high. Oh. You get like rapid fire. Where's the laser? So here, this looks like a scope. Oh yeah, there's the laser. So the right stick controls the cannon, the turret. There's your up and down. So that's as far as it goes, right or left. We're gonna add these little water gels. Doesn't say anywhere in the manual how full to make this. So I have it filled up to 200, and then I'm gonna empty this pack. That's all 500, and it says to let it sit for 4 hours.
All right, it's time to test out the Storm Master, see how good it shoots. This is 1 pack's worth of these water gels, and that's what you get out of 1 pack, so a little more than half a bottle. I did fill it up to 200 to let these soak the water in, and 200 with the water is way too much water. I did have to dump quite a bit of water out of this bottle. So we have our funnel that's included. We just open that up and then that fits right in there. And then we should be able to fill. Now I'm not gonna get this whole bottle in here. I can tell you that right away. I'm not gonna get this whole bottle, but we'll just put a few in here. Close that. I have some cans set up, and we'll also drive around and try and shoot these cans off of where they're sitting. We'll go to the low rate. Just rotate. It rotates in place pretty quick. All right, let's put it in high rate and let's see how fast that is. It spins around in a circle pretty fast. All right, well, yeah, there's the side shifting. And then just forward and backward. Let's take our little cover off here so we can turn our laser on, which is this button. There we go, there's our laser. And let's try and knock some cans over. Let's get ourselves lined up for this can here. Let's spin around. Well, right now the laser's over there on the lift, so let's, oh, there. Where is the laser? It's not on the can. It's hard to get it. Am I too high there? This is harder than it looks to get it lined up. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, we are right on the can. So well, there it says shoot, and there it says shoot load. So I guess both of them will shoot. Whoa, it shot like, there's one bouncing right here on the ground. It shot like 5 of them at one time. There we go, we're on the can again, let's shoot. Oh, wow. That has quite a bit of power. Now I know why they want you to wear safety glasses. There we go. I got the red dot on the can, but I'm not, it's hard to get it to line up with the turret. Like it wants to like go real fast. There we go. Oh, I was low. There, I'm hitting the bottom of the can. Let's go up there we go. Let's see if I can hit the wall back there. You see the red dot? Oh, it did hit the wall. Let's see, let's hold it in and see if we can rapid fire it. You're gonna go through a lot of these real fast. All right, let's spin around. Let's see if we can knock this one. Let's see if we can knock this one off the snowblower here. There we go. Ready? Fire! Oh, there we go. Nice. There. Nice. Oh, there we go. Got that one. There we go. Come on. Oh. There we go. That's the last can. Okay, well, this thing is quite a bit of fun, but it is kind of difficult to drive. Once you get the hang of it, it's not so bad. It gets easier to control. The turret is kind of hard to get lined up, like the laser lined up right on your shot. It does have great distance. Like this thing shot across the room and hit the wall. The battery life is pretty good on this. I've been running this around, like shooting it like crazy. Well, I shot through a whole bottle. I still get no low voltage. So you do get quite a bit of battery life out of one battery. And the best part is you get two batteries. I'm gonna leave a link to this down in the description if you're looking to pick one of these up for yourself. And I do appreciate the people that do use my links. It definitely helps the channel out. But that's it. I'm gonna quit yapping and I'm gonna end this video here. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I hope you join me on the next video.